In today's video, I will walk you through how to manage petty cash in Xero. Start by going to the Accounting section from the top navigation bar. Click on Accounting to open the menu, then select Chart of Accounts. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts section, locate the Add Account button and click on it. In the Account Setup form, open the Account Type dropdown and select Current Asset. Next, enter a unique code for the account. In the Account Name field, enter Petty Cash. If you want to add more information, you can enter a description for the account. This field is optional. Once the account type, code, name, and any optional description have been entered, review the details to make sure they're correct. Then click Save. Your petty cash account has now been added to Xero and is ready to use for future transactions. When recording payments or other related transactions, you can select petty cash as the account used for those transactions. The petty cash account is now available in your records for future transactions. That completes the process for setting up and managing petty cash in Xero. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.